Hello, I'm William Vinson. Go.yeswilliam.com. I got my blog on a WordPress site and ended up getting yeswilliam.com on it. So I kind of messed up things and did things a little backwards and didn't follow directions. So I'm learning how to follow directions a little better. That's kind of hard for me. I kind of jump into things a little too fast. So let's start at the beginning. If you find value in this video, like it. And if you hadn't subscribed already to my channel, subscribe. And if you'll ring the bell, then you can get notice of future videos. Now, you remember the last few days I've been talking about keyword tools and finding ways to help promote your videos or your content, or no matter which way you're using it, to be able to get people attracted to what you're doing. Keywords are the main way for search engine optimization. Well, today I'm going to show you a couple of more tools, or keyword tools. Now, these I'm just going to show them to you because I'm not going to subscribe to a whole bunch of keyword tools, but you're still searching for things. You never know, you might just find it. This first one here is Keyword Finder. KW Finder. Sorry, it's just KW, the initials, Finder. If you look at this, you can see how it goes. And one of the reasons, because if you you have to get a subscription to use it. And you see Mangul's Basic here. It's $29.90 a month. And if you notice, you save 40% with an annual plan. So that makes that price that much cheaper per year. And just like these other two, you see this one's $39 a month, $39.90 a month, might as well call it $40. And this one's $79.90 a month. So look how much you can save if you get it by the year on the what is that, the agency plan, $958.80 if you buy it by the year. If you buy it by the year, you save $958. Man, you save $958 a year. I mean, that's how much you pay, but you save $589. Same with these two. Now, that was that particular plan. Now we go over here to Buzzsumo. You remember we've been talking about it too. You see this one here. This one here is $79 a month for just the Pro plan. And it don't do that, does it? $139 for the Plus, and so on. So if you're going to use Buzzsumo, you could be, and $4.99 a month per year. You know, that's a group of money for keywords, but you can get a free 7-day trial in case you're looking for a trial. Okay, now this is another one. This is called AnswerToPublic.com, you see. Now, the good thing about AnswerToPublic.com is you can type it out and it'll give you questions for your content, so you can come up with content. Now, I'm not going to type in the new search because I'm still using... I'm not going to type in a new search, and that's what we could do up there. I'm talking about YouTube marketing. That's what I typed in it to begin with, to be able to find what I'm finding out, what I want to show you. And you see the circle here of all the things. I got the how, why, will, where, can, when, which, are, who, and what, and they got questions. And you can see from the light green to the dark green what's more important. Okay, and if you look and this is under the subject of YouTube marketing. See, and you see what I'm going to show you in a minute. As soon as my little ball gets through spinning, it just can't handle a whole bunch. This poor little computer. It's only a MacBook Air to boot that. A MacBook Air to boot that. And let's turn the mail off too, because you can't make the mail quit making noise unless you turn it off. Get out of the way. And it's a MacBook Air, and it's got that little squirrely ball running around it all the time. Well, anyway, I went to how YouTube marketing works. You see that right here. And that's the dark green of the how. So I guess you can figure that out yourself. But what starts with how too. Instead of what is your YouTube marketing, it says how YouTube marketing works, which is the same question as this. So the obvious thing about that is how YouTube marketing works answers two questions, the what and the how. So I went to ask.com. I don't know, everybody goes to Google most of the time. I go to Google a lot too, but I went to ask.com to find how YouTube marketing works. And you see all the different subjects you can come up with on how YouTube marketing works. I happen to pick this one here, does YouTube marketing really work? And this is what I'm going to do my video about tomorrow night. Does YouTube marketing really work? And going back to the question there about YouTube marketing, and that'll be the keyword I use, and I'm going to use it obviously in the keyword because in the description, because how YouTube marketing works is going to be part of my description. Now, if you remember, all this information that we've been coming up with tells you to get your keyword first, find your information, and look, there's the ball back again. Poor little computer, it just can't handle it, can it? Too bad. I don't know, Windows might have beat them out. But you can get your ideas for what you want your content to be about, and go look up information on what the keyword's going to be, and then make your content about what your information is, and use that keyword in your description and your tags so you can get better search results, and it'll work better for your search engine optimization. I hope you found value in that. Please like and subscribe and share it with all your buddies, because we're all marketers, right? A lot of people don't know this. Now I want to show you the scribbling tool, and I saw this with Matt on in Legendary's Marketers Club or something. I could bring it up, and it is in on a Mac. It's in applications. You can go to your app store and type it in there and read all about it. Well, this thing don't work when it's drawing. So anyway, so it don't scroll around none, neither does it. How YouTube marketing works. You see how that is. And you remember from a minute ago when I could bring it up for you. But this is called desk scribble. You see that right there? Let's see, let's mark it. Desk scribble. Well, let's mark it. Well, it won't mark up there, will it? There it is. How about that? Who knew that? It'd draw somewhere else. Just won't draw up there. But you see where I'm talking about anyway. And if you just want a blank scribble like Matt uses on his, so you can come up, you can get your and you can do whatever kind of drawing you want. I haven't figured out how to make it a thin line yet, but you can definitely do some drawing on it. And that's called desk scribble. Too bad they're not looking for affiliates. I could help them promote that product. Okay, well, if you liked it, you remember what I said, like, if you appreciate it, if you found value, if you found value, like it, And if you hadn't subscribed yet, subscribe and share it with all your buddies so everybody can learn about these sorts of things, because we need I guess I could have made that one a little shorter, huh? We'll make it look right anyway. What do we need? We need leads. Qualified leads. You know what a qualified lead is? That's one that's got the money and the desire. Okay, and if you share it with them and subscribe and ring the bell and do all that, you'll learn more next time, because I'll be back again. Have a great day.